So what we learned till now is about the switches, about the battery, about the LED, about the resistor that we have discussed, and we have also done the practical of it, like how to use the push button in the circuit, how to connect the LED with the battery, with the through resistor, how to do that also we have completed. So now we are going further to discuss about the one more important the thing which is required for the connections to make the different types of circuit which is required. So let's start with the breadboard. So what is breadboard? So it's a word is like a bread board. So the board which is used to cut the bread. So actually the name came from that background only. So but the actual the breadboard is you can see in the video below. So breadboard is a widely used tool to design and test the circuit. So it is basically used to design and test this circuit. So if you want to test some circuits, you require a breadboard. So because breadboard is the thing where you are not required to do the soldering. Okay, you know the soldering means to join the two wires you require the soldering process. So we do not need soldering. Here the soldering is the person is doing soldering. So this soldering process is going on here. So we do not need to solder wire and component to make a circuit while using breadboard. So if you are using breadboard, no need of this type of soldering. It is easier to mount component and reuse them. So it is very easy to mount and reuse. So we have mounted here three LEDs, and we can remove that also without any desoldering or anything, and we can connect it again also. So we can replace also, we can remove the wires, we can again connect it. So it's like a reusable circuit which you can make here. So how does breadboard basically work? So how it works? So there are multiple points available where we can insert the electronic component on the breadboard. So there are many points available where you can connect the electronic component, like you can see in the video, like LED is inserted in some of the point of the breadboard, and the jumper wires are inserted, resistor is inserted in some of the point. So same way you can insert the many electronics and you can do the connection and you can make the circuit. So these multiple points which are used to insert are actually internally connected. So the multiple points are connected internally, like point of vertical line. This vertical line are internally connected. What is the meaning of that? So this is showing, highlighting the point that how they are connected. So this point is connected to this completely. So this complete line is connected internally. Same with this complete line is connected internally. Okay, so the cross connection is not there, means this point is not connected to this. Okay, this line, the positive line, indicate that this complete line, the point line, is internally connected, means there is a wire inside. Wire, it is not a wire, it is basically a metal strip which connects all the points. This all points are connected with the help of metal strip. This all points are connected with the help of metal strip. So same way for the horizontal, if we say, so two lines here, these two rows, and here these two columns. So if you understand about the columns, then these two columns are connected, or this two vertical lines are connected. Same with this two vertical line are connected internally. And same way this horizontal lines, this 1 2 3 4 5, and ABCD, it is written ABCDE. So A to E, all points are connected internally. So metal strip is there below this, and this all points are connected internally. So this all horizontal lines are connected. Now this is not connected vertically like this, nothing is connected, it's connected horizontally like this. Same way here also, F G H I J, these points are connected internally like this. So this way this breadboard is connected internally. The all points are connected internally but separately. So separately how? This line is connected, then this line is connected, then this line is connected, that way. Okay, so the 1 and 2 is not connected, 2 and 3 is not connected, 3 and 4 is not connected. So follow my cursor, 3 and 4 is not connected, 4 and 5 is not connected. That way all are not connected vertically, they are connected horizontally. Same way the side two lines are connected vertically, this and this. Okay, and this two, between two lines are connected horizontally, like this, like this. Okay, so if you are not understood clearly, when we do the practical, you will get a more depth idea, and that, so that way is working. So as I discussed how they are connected, so this all points are vertically connected with this is showing with the yellow lines. So yellow lines basically indicate the metal strip. So metal strip is internally, it is connected like this. Same way here, all metal strips are placed backside, so all are connected. So from front you can insert the electronic component, so that if you insert the electronic component here, the all this point are connected to this component. So you can do the connection with this component for using this four blank part. So if you are not clear, we'll do the practical, then you will understand more. So now let's understand more about breadboard on Tinkercad software. So let's go to the Tinkercad software. So we have reached to the Tinkercad software, and now we are creating a new circuit. So every time you have to create a new circuit, whatever practical you are doing, you make the new circuit, so that you get the whole idea that how much circuits you have made. So this is session 3 circuit, if I write circuit 1 of Robotronics. Okay, so session 3 circuit 1 Robotronics, that I have given the name. You can give any name as per your choice. As per the circuit you can give the name. So now let's understand the breadboard in depth. So I am taking the breadboard on the board, on the space where you can do the connections. So this is the breadboard that we have discussed. So this is the that vertical, now this become horizontal. This complete line is connected internally. So this is showing, highlighting that we are connected. Same way this is also connected, so this is also highlighting where we are connected. Same way here, this is connected, highlighting this is connected, connected. Now what is the meaning of, and what is the use of this connection? So I am showing, let's take the LED and resistor and the battery. So I am taking the battery. Now I am connecting the battery to here. So now, right, not like this, I will have the wires, so positive with positive and negative with negative, suppose. Now when I connect positive with positive here, this complete line become positive. So I can get from any point I can get the 9 volt here. From, if I stretch wire from here, then also I will get the 9 volt. If I stretch the wire from other point like here, then also I will get the 9 volt. So let's do the practical. So like I am connecting here positive and negative, this complete line is negative, so negative to resistor and to this. Now if I do the simulation, the LED will get on, so it is on through resistor. Okay, so what is the meaning of that? This all points are working as a positive, this all points are working as a negative. Okay, now same way, let's remove the wires. Now let's do the connection through this. So you can remove this also, you can connect the battery. It is not necessary you use this two line only for battery. You can make this vertical line also as positive and negative. So this is positive, this is negative. The first line is acting as a positive, second line acting as a negative. So let's connect the positive with this negative. This complete line will act as one. So anywhere you can have the wire, and then the next point is connected here. So this way we can do the connection, like from the positive it is going to this, and negative it is going to this. So if you do the simulation, then also this will work. So this all vertical, this lines are internally connected. Okay, so this all are internally connected, so anywhere you can connect. So you have this two section where you get this five connections, and here this two section where you get the multiple more number of points which are internally connected here and here. Okay, so this is the use of this breadboard. Now what we will do with this, so we'll do the different types of connections through this breadboard with the push button, with the slider and everything through this breadboard. So whatever we did right now is without breadboard. Now we will try to do the practicals with the breadboard. So what I will do is I will try to make multiple LEDs on off. So I'm removing this again, and we'll try to have the multiple LEDs. So LED 1, LED 2, LED 3, suppose 3 LEDs. So first I will keep it green, second I will keep it orange, okay, and red. Now the resistor, so instead of using 3 resistor, can you use one resistor? So let's discuss this also, how we can do this. So through resistor, so what I am doing is all the negative of the LEDs I am connecting internally. So negative and cathode is connected here, so all negatives are connected here. Okay, now when you connect all the negatives, wait, so just remove this, so it will not, it will give you the clear idea how we are doing the connection. So this cathode is connected here, and from here this cathode is connected here. Now what we want, now the resistor to be connected to the cathode, so let's do the connection here. Now resistor is connected to all the cathode. So this please understand this, that we have connected the terminal 2 of resistor to all the cathodes through the breadboard. Okay, so if it is not clear, please write it down and then discuss with me that this is not clear. Okay, now the what we want now is a battery. So let's have the battery. Now you can directly connect the battery here also without using wire. So positive is connected to this and negative is connected to this. You got everything here. Oh, now negative you have to connect from this to, means you can rotate or you can have from anywhere like this, and negative like this. So this negative is connected here to resistor. So all cathode LEDs are connected through resistor to the negative, and now positive I am connecting. So if you want like all LED should go on simultaneously, then you can make a one center here, and then one of the LED you can pull the wire to this. Now all the LED got the positive, all the cathode of the LED goes through the resistor to negative. Now let's start the simulation. So all are on simultaneously. So this circuit should be clear. If it is not clear, please do the practice and make this circuit by yourself. So this is your task. You have to make this circuit by yourself, and you have to understand how this breadboard is working. Okay, so let's do the practice. So you have to do the practice by this 3 LEDs, 4 LEDs, and they all should get on simultaneously with battery. Okay, so do the practical, and then tell me what doubts you have on this Skype, and we'll discuss them. When we will discuss also whatever doubt you have on Skype. Okay, so now your homework is to make this circuit on this Tinkercad, and then you will make the circuit with the 4 LEDs which gets on simultaneously when you start the simulation. Okay, so in this way, with a single resistor, the resistor you have to use a single only for all 3 LEDs. So this type of circuit you have to make for 3 and 4 LEDs. So you can start, if you want a simpler, you can start with the 2 LEDs, then 3 LEDs, then 4 LEDs. Okay, so that way you can complete, and then we'll meet with you on the 4th session.